Okay, this is part 3. Oops, that's a little bit off. Okay, this is part 3 of the video to finish up with this. So, yep, I'm just going to continue on working. It's been quite a while since since I finished filming the last part, but things came up. So, yeah, okay. Let's see. So we got yellow. We're about to finish up the yellow side. Second side to be finished. So let's see, we'll need yellow, yellow. And where's another yellow? Yeah. Oops, I should probably make sure this is on camera now, shouldn't I? Otherwise it would be just pointless. Okay, wait a minute, that's not the right corner. So that's going to be there, okay. It is weird that all these are hollow, but yeah. Let's see, I'll need the, where are those? Oh, wait, they're right here. There. Okay. So there's that. It's coming along. That looks pretty cool. Oh, here, let me see. Will turning this on do any better? One sec. About as bright as I can get it. Unfortunately, the way that my lights are, they're still going to be a shadow. Dang it. Oh, well. Yeah, that would be better. Okay. Whatever. It'll be fine. Let's see, this will be going there. I'll need one of these, and these. Is this the right piece? No. This the right piece? There. Ah, yes, that was. Though I need to hold it in place. That's really it. Let's see if I can't get it to focus on it. Yeah. There, now you can see it. Though it's a little bit bright. Now it overlaps right there. It's like 4 layers. Let's see if I can. There we go. That's good as I'm gonna get it. Okay. Let's put that in there. I want to put. Oh, this is gonna be difficult. How to go about getting that in there? I guess I'll try. Well, this will work. Okay. This one and this one. So those two will be there. Then we got that one should go in there, but I'll need to get the other one first, I'm assuming. Yeah, okay. Sorry, my nose has been rather plugged recently, or whatever you want to say. Whoops, nope, I'm forgetting one thing. Wait, I already got that. That. And this. Nope. Nope. There we go. That. Then there's that. And this I might as well put in right now. Now it's gotten to the annoying part. The final piece. Well, for this layer. Okay, almost complete. Got green and yellow done. I have to say this will probably actually take longer than it does for me to just solve this normally. Of course, I took it apart solved, so it's not counting as me solving, it's more just me putting it back together. How do I want to go about doing this? Dang, I guess the center will be where I'll finish it off. Is that red? There's not many pieces left. It's just, oh, that's it. Just a few pieces which I still have organized in all their thing. Yeah. And I do have my camera's light turned on. Okay. So, I'll take this, and then this will go not there. There. That'll be there. Oh, wait, I already have that. Red and white. Sorry. Okay. Got this one, and where is... Huh, where'd it go? Oh. There we go. Those two going together. Yeah, I guess this is more of the boring part until the very end. Hold on, I need to move this thing that's right next to my arm. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Okay, so that's all that there. This is going to be a little bit difficult because I know the way that then I'm probably going to fit it back together is going to be these parts. Because these are the only ones that then can be reasonably easily pulled apart. Those two, or those style ones. Just another look at the inside. And that has a little bit of a hollow gap there because of the corner. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Try to be sure the camera can still see this. At the same point, I just understand it's not the easiest, and I have not done a lot of videos, so that's going there. So wait, was that this? Oh, that was the same one. Okay, here we go. I think. I think if that one went that way, this one should going that way. However, corner comes first. Wait. Carefully, and you can fit. There we go. Okay. No. Okay. Blue and white. I should probably get those put in while I'm here. Okay, is that going to be the right? No. This will be the right one. Okay. Now I still need to get is that the right one? That'll be, yeah, that should be the right one. Okay. And then one of these corner piece, or corner center. Okay. There's the track is forming. No. Okay, good. Oh wait, the edge has to go in, or the corner has to go in first. Wait, hold on, okay. So it's going to need to go in here. Oh, this is going to make things difficult. No. Okay, good. Oh gosh, actually I'm not sure I can do this. Or I'm not sure how I'm going to do this. That can still go in there. As long as I can... Okay. This part is going to be very difficult to get on camera. I mean, it's not like the other part has been any easier, but this part is going to be very difficult to get on camera. Okay. Yeah, that corner had to be in there preemptively. Not preemptive, nah. Okay, then I'll need, wait, not orange, white. White, and, yep. The whole thing is almost together, as long as everything works out here. There's no explosions! Good, there's no explosions. At the moment. I hope that I didn't just jinx myself. Okay, not gonna do that. Never mind, JK. Try turning it. I mean, I can turn this side. It should be fine. But I don't want to do that too much because it does loosen up some of the pieces here. Okay, so this looks so funny to me because the one corner is able to move around. Rattles. Okay, so I'm going to put these ones in last, probably. That. Okay. Go with those. This is going to be, not gonna lie, this is gonna be annoying. Because now I have to hold those somehow in there. I think. Aha! Never mind. Just clip those into the side there and put them up there. Then we'll need these ones as well into the side. Yep, I'm almost back to where I started, except technically I started, I think it was white and like this side, but anyways, white and green. Okay, I have 8, 9, 10 pieces left. Now I just have to be sure I can still get these ones in here. Okay, good. I should be able to get that in there without needing much else. Okay, so. I almost thought maybe tweezers would help, but no. Sometimes having small hands is just better. Oh, wait, I have to put this corner in first. Oh gosh, okay. Then I have to put this corner in. Okay. Great. Okay, those two in. Is that going in the right way? Yes, that is. Okay, that's in. No. Okay. Last two pieces. Okay, so moment of truth. Seems good. Okay. I don't want to put a star in there. Anyways, so yeah, there we go. Disassembled and put back together. Yay. Now that I've done that, how about we don't do that again? Okay. If you like this, then like it. Like, click the like thingy. Because then I know that people like it. Which is rather straightforward. Okay, goodbye.